Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Grove Collaborative box, and actually I have two Grove Collaborative boxes. We have been so busy moving things around and organizing here that I have actually had 2 months of Grove boxes go by and I haven't done a video, so we're going to open them both right now and see what I've got in here. Grove Collaborative is a customizable auto shipment service and they deliver right to your home. I always enjoyed that. I enjoy it even more in this day and age because they are bringing my cleaning goods right to my house. And they, in the beginning, had a lot of things out of stock, but they have gotten most of their stuff back in stock. I'm even getting some disinfecting wipes, so I am thrilled about that. But they do all natural home, beauty, and personal care products. If you don't know about it or are interested, I will put my link below and you can go over and check it out. With your first purchase, you will get 5 items free, usually 3 Mrs. Meyer's products, and then 2 other products that are in the Grove range of products, of the products they do of their own. And it's just a great way to have things shipped to your house if you have any interest. Okay, I have a table full right here in front of me. So we are just going to dig right in. I have one order here and another order here. So I'm going to combine these and talk about them to make it quicker as we go, but I have 2 months worth of boxes here. So let me show you first what I am putting now in every box order that I do, and that's these 7th generation disinfecting wipes. This is the big one and this is the smaller one. They will only let you have 1 a month, but they'll let you have 1 of each size. So I have 2 months here. So I actually have 2 of the small ones and 2 of the bigger ones. Now these aren't Lysol or Clorox wipes, but in theory, they're better. They're just a little bit better for you. The ingredient that's disinfecting in them is Thymol, and it is one of the EPA registered cleaners that you can use for COVID. If you go on to any of your cleaners and go onto the EPA website, there is a number down at the bottom that you can put in and it tells you whether it is, and these are. So I can't find Clorox or Lysol wipes anywhere out there, but every month I get 1 of these big ones and 1 of these little ones, and I am happy to have them because with all of the boxes that I unbox and the groceries, and I wipe down everything. I am just extra careful. I have a little bit of a heart issue, which puts me at a little bit greater risk, so we are really crazy careful around here. So I have 2 of the big ones and 2 of the small ones because it's 2 months worth. Something else that we are going through around here a lot is hand wash. So I purchased the Grove products and I like a lot of their in-house brand, and this is one of them. This is their Grove Foaming Hand Soap Concentrate. Now I have to admit I bought this in error, and I actually bought 2 of them in error. I thought I was just grabbing their regular hand soap, which I get all the time, and it's just a gel, and the prices are so reasonable. I will try and put them right here for you. The prices are so reasonable, and this is, let me glass up so I can give you guys all the good information. This is 12 fluid ounces. It is the lemon eucalyptus mint, and they offer different flavors. It is more than 97% bio-based, and it's made in the USA. I love that. So I got 2 of them, and like I said, I thought I was buying a regular one because I have one of those Simple Human that automatically spits the soap into your hand so you don't have to touch it. But I ordered these 2 months ago and I realized that I had accidentally ordered the foaming. So when I placed this month's order, I ordered a glass foaming hand soap bottle so that this soap won't go to waste. So now I have this pretty bottle with a little design, and it's just a Grove product. Like I said, they do so many nice products, so I can just pour my foaming into this and I have more hand soap. And this says, this chic and reusable foaming hand soap bottle adds instant style and convenience to your kitchen or bathroom. Its sturdy glass body is accented with a sleek brushed metal pump, perfectly paired with your favorite Grove Foaming Hand Soap Concentrate. So these are just Grove products because, like I said, I like so many of their in-house brands. I just love that they are helping me. You know, I've said to you guys, I'm trying to go as plastic free as possible. You know, I'm using that beeswax wrap, and I am loving those lids that we got in our cause box. And this is what I'm trying to do, and they are helping me get the job done. And just so you know, you get this 12 ounces of soap, and see how big this is? But that's okay because you only fill the soap to this soap line, and then this top line is the water line. So it doesn't take that much soap to get a full bottle of soap. So these 2 will last quite some time. And last, in that first month's order, I got a daily shower set. If you guys have been watching this for a while, you know that each month I would have my Method shower cleaner Plus, I would have the Method Daily Shower Spray. Well, that is one of the things that they keep being out of. It is hard to find, even like when I try and place it in a Target order or anything like that, it seems to be running out. And I thought, you know what? And I was right. Grove probably does their own, and they do. So you get this bottle, and then you get 4, and here I have them here, of the shower concentrate. So these are the shower sprays, and it's orange rosemary, and it's just a 1 ounce concentrate. Let's get the bottle out and look at it. You just pour it into your bottle, top the rest off with water, and you've got the same thing as the daily shower spray. And each of the Grove bottles that comes in their sets has a silicone bottom, and each of the bottoms is a different color. So in theory, you always know what's in your bottle. Now, you could take like a Sharpie and write on the bottom, which I will probably do, you know, shower cleaner, but this will live next to my shower, so I will know it's the shower cleaner. But in theory, I have 4 complete refills. I think this entire set is like $18.95 for the bottle and 4 refills. And then I think you can go in and buy 2 of the refills for like $6.95. So that is not only way handier with lighter shipping and all of that, but now I'm not wasting this much plastic every time I want a daily shower cleaner. I mean, that's not the daily shower cleaner, but it's basically the same bottle it comes in. So now this much plastic instead of this much plastic. I love that part. And with that order, I got, because you can be a VIP, and if you're a VIP, your monthly boxes all ship for free. Plus, you can ship mid-monthly boxes. They just have to meet, I think, a $40 requirement, and then they ship for free also. But this is the Grove Handcrafted Bar Soap in Peppermint. And that was free. And I love these Grove soaps. That is what that looks like. I have tried several of them. It smells, oh my goodness, it smells just like peppermint. It smells so fantastic and refreshing. I love that. So that was my first box, plus the extra couple disinfecting wipes. 2 of those disinfecting wipes actually came in this box that I'm getting ready to show you. In addition to going through hand soap, I seem to be going through an extraordinary amount of dish soap. And they are now, so that everybody has a chance to purchase it, they are limiting you to 2 of the Mrs. Meyer's soaps per order. And that's just not enough these days to get me through a month, because I do all of my dishes by hand because it's just my husband and I as a rule. So we always have just a small amount of dishes, but then I always have a big pan of dish suds. So I got this huge 32-ounce refill pack. And what I will do is when I run out of my Mrs. Meyer's, I will just squeeze some right in that bottle. So, because I keep, spoiler alert, I have Mrs. Meyer's over here, because I keep my dish soap, my hand soap, and the matching spray. I do them all in a matching flavor, and I have a little tray that I keep them on. So I will put that in here so it will still match when it's sitting on the tray, because yes, I do tend to be a little OCD. This is 95% bio-based, and it is lemon eucalyptus mint, and it's efficacy tested for serious cleaning powder, beautifully scented with natural fragrance and free of harsh chemicals and synthetic dyes. Since we've already talked about it, let me show you my Mrs. Meyer's. I will always have Mrs. Meyer's as a rule in my box. I love their scents. The fall scents are getting ready to come out, and guys, the apple cider or the spiced popcorn, nope, although I do like popcorn, the spiced pumpkin or the spiced acorn, that's where the popcorn was coming from. They are fantastic. But I chose for the remaining of the summer to go with basil, and I have used the basil in the past, and I just like it. It's fresh, it's basil-y, it just fits with the kitchen so well. So I got the multi-surface everyday cleanser, the hand soap, which is olive oil and aloe vera, which we go through so much hand soap now, it's absolutely ridiculous, and the dish soap, which says cuts grease, biodegradable. And I like this just as well as Dawn, which is saying something. I have used Dawn for years, and I have not come up against a pan that I couldn't get clean with this. So for in my life, this works just as well. And like I said, I chose the basil for the rest of summer. And it's just, it doesn't smell like you've crushed a basil leaf in front of you. It's just kind of a green, herbaceous, leaning toward just the basil scent. It smells so good. I love the Mrs. Meyer scents, just love them. And for the record, when you sign up and make your first purchase, this is generally what you will get, is a multi-surface, a dish soap, and a hand soap. And you get to pick flavors. Plus, they will have selected 2 things generally from in the Grove range that you'll get to try. Something else that I added this month, and I think I have one coming for the next order because I've already placed my next order, is the 7th generation disinfecting spray. And this is also on the EPA list. And that is what that looks like. And it is lavender, vanilla, and thyme scent. I'm just going to tell you right now, I don't think it matters which scent you choose. I think that the thymol that is in it, that is extracted from the thyme plant, is all you smell. I have the citrus one, I have this lavender one that I've used in the past, but the scent that you smell is the thyme. I mean, you might get a little bit of the background of the scent. If you were like heart set on lavender and they didn't have it, but they had the orange, I'd say go ahead and get the orange because like I said, mostly you're just going to smell the thyme. But again, we are spraying so many things around here, you know, doorknobs. Sometimes we give boxes before I bring them up here to unbox them, a little extra spray. I just needed more disinfectant. Next, since we already talked about this too, is the Method Foaming Tub and Tile Cleaner. This is my favorite. I used to use Scrubbing Bubbles. I loved it, but this bubbles up too. And I use this and a Mr. Clean sponge, and it's perfect. It makes it so easy to clean. My tub just wipes right out, and it smells minty, mentholy, as opposed to that chemical Scrubbing Bubbles. For me, it works better. It just doesn't upset my sinuses or any of that. I just like that it's cleaner. So I got 2 of those, which is again what they will let you get because they are limiting some things. Some things they are limiting so that everybody has a chance to get them. But it had been out for a month or 2, so I went ahead and picked 2 up. But going forward, I will probably only add 1 per box. Couple more things. I also picked up, because I usually get these at the grocery store, but I noticed that they do them, and it's the If You Care Quality with Integrity coffee filters. This is just the number 4 coffee filters. You get 100 of them. They are FSC and compostable certified, unbleached, totally chlorine free. You know, when you get the white ones at the grocery store, to get them that white, they've been bleached as a rule. So I like the unbleached ones. And again, I will put some of the prices down here for you guys so you can compare them to what you're paying at your grocery store. And the last thing that I chose was the Aunt Fanny's Fly Punch Fruit Fly Trap, effective against fruit flies, safe near food. And I don't know about where you guys are, but we have a fruit fly problem here. It doesn't matter how quickly we eat our bananas or any of that. It's like fruit fly season. And it just takes one in the house to annoy me to no end. So I am hoping that this works. If you're interested in knowing that, let me know below. And once I've given it a try, I'll come back and let you know. And the last thing I got was the Grove reusable snack bags. And these are reusable, food safe, BPA free, and it's a 2-pack. And again, I got this because I bought to a certain level. And this says, pack up snacks or any snack size item and be on your way in no time. Sustainably made from food safe, BPA free material, these reusable bags are perfect for everyday use and storage ease. Plus, they are leak-proof and super easy to clean, helping you stay fresh and organized wherever you are and wherever you're going. And they are made of reusable, FDA-grade EVA material. I have had these in the past. If you guys watch the channel and watch these unboxings, you know that I have purchased these in the past because each season they come out with the new design on them, and it's usually spring, summer, fall, or winter. So I have some pretty flower ones, and they just come out with really cute designs, and I love them because, again, I'm trying to get rid of plastic. So I'm trying to use far fewer Ziploc bags, and these are reusable, reusable, reusable. I have never had any problem with the slide. It seals well. I've never had one leak. I've never had one of my slides break. I just really enjoy them. Okay, that is what I have ordered in the last 2 months from Grove. And I finally need some of this, so I was forced into unboxing it. I just kept putting all of my makeup boxes ahead of this. So now I am so happy to have all of this open and ready to use. If you have any questions about Grove, let me know below. You can get it monthly. You can set up your account so that it doesn't come monthly. It's all in your hands. It's up to you, but you do have to go in and set everything how you would like to receive it. If you would like to go over and check out their website, I will put my link below. It will get you 5 free products when you sign up. And that is it. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys really soon. Stay safe. I have to go.